Customizing the quick access toolbar. Come to this drop down menu. Here you have a customize quick access toolbar. You can customize, for example, you can remove, you can add. We are adding new. Here is it's added. We are removing something, for example, print preview. Print preview is gone. We have one more thing here, is more commands. What we do in more commands, we can add more commands to the quick access toolbar. How we can add? Here it is, for example, border. Click the border, press add, and it is added. Okay, come to quick access toolbar. Here we see borders. Like that you can add more commands you want from more commands. Next is file menu or the Backstage tab. Here it is. Here we have information about your file. New, you're starting with a new document, a new sheet, a new workbook. Opening the existing workbook, the existing file. Saving your file. Remember, this save is working when you have added an existing document and just press save. That will be added. Other than that, you have to go to in Excel to save as print, share, export, close, account, feedback option, share, print, and these things we are studying later with details.